Where is the best place to buy Gmail accounts safely in 2026? The best place to buy Gmail accounts safely in 2026 is from a trusted and professional provider like Incyberit.com. This website focuses on quality, verified Gmail accounts with proper guidelines for safe usage. Buying from a reliable source reduces the risk of suspension and ensures better account stability for long-term use. 2. Is it safe to buy Gmail accounts online? Yes, it can be safe to buy Gmail accounts online if you choose a trusted website such as Incyberit.com. Unsafe or cheap sellers often provide low-quality accounts that get banned quickly. A reliable platform offers verified accounts, clear policies, and customer support, which helps ensure safer usage. 3. What are verified Gmail accounts and why are they important? Verified Gmail accounts are accounts that come with phone or recovery verification. These accounts are more trusted by Google systems. Websites like Incyberit.com provide verified Gmail accounts that are suitable for business communication and marketing when used responsibly. 4. How to buy Gmail accounts without getting banned. To avoid getting banned, users should buy age or verify Gmail accounts from reputable sources like Incyberit.com. After purchasing, accounts should be warmed up slowly, used with clean IP addresses, and never used for spam activities. Responsible usage greatly increases account lifespan. 5. Buy Gmail accounts in bulk. What should you check when buying Gmail accounts in bulk? You should check account age, verification status, recovery options, and replacement policy. A professional provider like Incyberit.com clearly mentions these details and offers support, making bulk purchases safer and more reliable. 6. Are phone verified Gmail accounts better for marketing? Yes, phone verified Gmail accounts are generally better for marketing because they look more authentic. Platforms such as Incyberit.com offer phone verified accounts that are less likely to face instant restrictions when used with proper email marketing practices. 7. How to choose a trusted website to buy Gmail accounts. A trusted website should have transparency, quality assurance, and customer support. Incyberit.com